Hi viewers, Samanath, Small Steps Trader channel. Today's statement very simple: get in slow but get out fast. What author come to say is, so whenever we are taking a trade, entering to the trade, you have to analyze that stocks or commodity very thoroughly and then enter. So take your time and before entry. But after entry, if that goes wrongly, don't hesitate, come out immediately. So at the same time, if hit target also, don't hesitate, come out immediately. So that's what he's saying: get in slow and get out fast. So if we keep this, we'll be in very much profitable. Okay, before going to this video, disclaimer: I am not a SEBI registered advisor. So whatever I am speaking or my views for learning purpose, you always do your own study and analysis and take your own decision. So that will lead you to become a good trader or investor in long run. I will go to the video. So those who are doing commodity trading, so we have to have keen eye on dollar index. So first we will see that. So if you see the dollar index, it's keep on in the gradual downside, it is traveling. So this is one of the reason bullion, the gold and silver prices rising up. One of the reason I am saying. So if you see the left side, this is a day chart. So that also we can see that it's a gradual decline in dollar price. Okay, now we'll go to the gold. So gold clearly in the uptrend, and if you see from here on, there is no deviation. So it's a clear uptrend. The momentum also gradual momentum, you can say. So there is no much up and down. So it's a very gradually it's moving. So those who are like to do on gold, make a long unwinding attempt. Don't try for short unwinding, short covering attempt. So this is a this is MCX price and this is the global contract CFD price. So both the prices are replicating the same thing. Now we will see silver. So before that, gold target, we will see that. To know the target, we will change it to the weekly chart. So the next in the dollar term, if you see, the next thing would be the psychological resistance and the chart based resistance also. You can see that 2080, you can say 2100, we can expect this is the target. But if you see in the MCX, while this price comes here, it is already crossed it in MCX. The reason because is at this point of time, the USD INR price is low, but here the INR is depreciated, so the value is more. So in terms of rupee term, it is crossed. So while 2100 in dollar term, it comes, what would be in our Indian price, that we will see now. If you say 2100 into 30, generally for $1 movement in bullion, 30 rupees in Indian terms. So with that respect, we can expect 63,000 gold we can expect. So here another 400 point we can expect. The same moment, same direction and momentum continues, we can easily expect the 63,000. We have started tracking in options contract in MCX, so that we will see now. 61,000 call option we started tracking. So it was around 8,000 while we started tracking. So it has gone to 1900. Now it is resting on 1730. Now we will see silver. So silver also in the upside trend only. There is no like gold, there in between there is some sideways movement, again it started rising. So unlike gold, the momentum is not very gradual, but anyway, if you see the trend, is short term trend is in the upside only. So never ever trade short covering attempt, or try always long unwinding attempt. So for how much it will go, we will see in the weekly chart, we will get know. So if you see the next target, now it's saying this is the psychological resistance. I said it is very much close to that. It has come and come that level. So it has to break. If it breaks, we can expect to 26.40 dollar. So with that respect, if you see, this is the level, so around 78. So because of USD INR is INR is depreciated more when the price was here. So accordingly, if you see that while the prices will crosses here close to 79,000, we can expect in MCX. So now we will see the option contract in silver. So we started tracking 75,000 call option. So it was around 2,000 rupees while tracking. So it was gone close to 4,000, now at 3,900. Now we will see crude oil. So before to that, we will see the bull dex. This is the MCX index. How for stocks there is a index Nifty and Sensex. Similarly, for gold and silver, MCX has an index. That index is called bullion index, simply called as a bull dex. Bullion index we call as a bull dex. So it will give you a collective picture of gold and silver price movement. So left side is the bull dex weekly chart and right side is the 4-hour chart. So it's exactly replicating the global contract, and if you see that clearly it is in the uptrend. So this is one of the confirmation. Now we will see the crude oil. Yesterday the crude oil inventory has come. The expectation was minus 0.93 actually, but the result is 1.60 actually. So it is showing that huge supply, but generally if it is the huge supply, the price will come down, but there is no much reaction in the crude price. So if you see the presently it is in the sideways movement. So the range would be 6,000 and 6,500 would be the range. So it has to break in the upper side, then only the price will go up, otherwise we can expect the price will come down to 6,000. So similarly, if you see in the dollar term, the 72 is the downside channel bottom, we can say support. So if we change it to the weekly chart, we can clearly able to see that. So this is what we keep on saying, that 72 in the upper side, 78. Now we will see in option contract. So the crude oil 6,500 we started tracking. So actually it was while 6,000 range it was 128, it has gone to 240 from, you see here 272, and it is in the sideways. So theta decay also involves in this. So presently it is in the upper channel, so it may expect if the prices comes down to 6,000 level, this price will come down. So this is about crude oil. Now we will see natural gas. Sorry. So natural gas, we keep saying that it is clearly in the channel. So see, now it is in the channel bottom. So now the movement would be, we expect in the channel upper side. So it would be 290. So if we change it to the weekly chart, we can clearly will come to know that. See in the left side, the global contract is properly respecting the channel upper side support and resistance. Similarly, MCX price also respecting the support and resistance. So with that respect, the next move should be in the upper side. So that's the reason in the MCX we started tracking the 250 call option, because if we track 235, that would be in the ATM, the price would be very huge. So we are not taking the channel resistance, that is around 285. So in between we took OTM strike of 250. So the price is now around 9 rupees. So we can expect a huge price move in the coming days. So I hope this video will be very useful or informative to you. If anything else you like to know, make a comment in comment box. We will try to address that. Please do subscribe and like and share with your friends. See you next video. Until then, bye bye. Thank you.